Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Kia Niro can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now, let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by lowering our exhaust, but first let's support it with a strap. You can now remove 3 rubber isolators, one on either side of the muffler and one just forward of the rear crossmember. Use exhaust removal pliers and soapy water. We can now lower our carbon canister by removing 3 fasteners using a 12mm socket and an extension to gain access. We need to remove the various vacuum connections from our carbon canister. Each one has a tab on it, and in some case 2 tabs on either side that you need to depress to safely remove the connection. You can now use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the canister away from the vehicle. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get a second set of hands as the hitch is a little heavy. The kit does include 2 spacers and says for some models you will need to use them. In this instance, our hitch is not flush against the frame and we do in fact need to use these spacers. So we need to pass them between the hitch plate and the frame of the vehicle and then insert our new hardware. Ensure that the teeth of your conical tooth washer face the plate of the hitch. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. We will link them in the description below. We're going to use a 17mm socket. We can now replace our carbon canister. Reconnect all the carbon canister connections. You can now return the exhaust to the rubber hangers, beginning first with the forwardmost isolator. Now that our hitch is installed, we pull the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 12 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.